Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. Today we have exciting news for you guys. The folks at Artstation have just announced that the learning platform is now for free, forever, and also for all. Now, if you remember sometime within the year, Artstation joined the Epic family, which, it's a fancy way of saying that Epic Games actually bought Artstation, and one of the cool things that they did was to make sure that all of the courses and learning materials within Artstation was made for free. Now, within that time, it was free for all users, and this was something that was available to registered member at the time. But right now, if you're a registered or an unregistered member of Artstation, you'll be able to access all of the learning materials that is currently on Artstation for free, and this is going to be for free for as long as possible. So this means that if you would like to learn anything right now on Artstation, you can actually hop in and start learning as much as you want. Now, with the new Artstation learning app, you can access these courses from anywhere within your mobile app. And of course, if you like to download the app, go over to the App Store where you can download it. And for those that will be thinking about the Android version, since the iOS version is only the one that is available right now, this will be coming sometime late January of 2022. So if you're thinking about learning stuff, go over to the learning section of Artstation and you can learn lots of things from careers to 2D to 3D, Unreal Engine, ZBrush, Illustrator, environment, Photoshop, character design, talks with CG artists and also community persons. And there are tons and tons of new courses flooding Artstation every single week. So if you're into this, you would like to learn stuff, you can simply go ahead and check it out. Meanwhile, Artstation is currently doing a marketplace holiday sale, and this is beautiful. You can simply go ahead and check out all of this. So you can see all of these things here. You can also see some very crazy percentage off. And if you're looking for things like references, maybe you're looking for male references, because I think lots of you guys mentioned that in the previous videos, we did get more of female references than male references. You'll be able to find these things here, and you can see the prices are half. So let's go ahead and check these ones out. These are cool poses. So if you're looking for poses like this, you'll be able to get some very, nice discounts. And of course, if you're also looking for assets, you can also see that there are tons of assets like this. You can see more assets and more assets, cool stuff. So Artstation is doing this beautiful thing, and it is worth mentioning that they have been consistent with how they actually serve the community. And if you're thinking about learning stuff, you can simply go over to artstation.com, hit the learning page where you'll be able to grab as much courses and start learning and honing your skill. Tell me what you guys think about this ones in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.